Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock this heart ear stud to complete the simple school style set in Heartopia game. Okay, this is one of the items from the simple school style set in Heartopia, and I'm going to show you where you can find it. If you want to find the item, you need to find the golden bubble, and the location is here, guys. Go to the Anson Mountain. You can use this bus stop and go to this area near the stone cliff. And there's a bubble, the golden bubble right there. And you need to pop the bubble. Okay, I'm going to jump to that roof so I can pop the bubble. Oh my god. Okay, let me try it again, guys. Okay, I'm back and I'm going to jump. Okay, done. And let's pop the bubble to get the heart ear stud. Okay, done. Okay, guys, and that's how we can unlock the heart ear stud to complete the simple school style stud in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.